Today we've got an exciting new feature to show you all. So today we have the Insights Hub, which has actually just been recently launched in the platform. I'm super excited about it because it basically means that we're going to be able to support you guys better and even be able to put in some comments and things async. So in the Insights Hub, there are a few existing reports. We've got the notes function where if you go into a replay or a click map or report that you've bookmarked, they will all go in here. We also have all of the saved reports, so any weekly reports or anything like that that you want to save in there, they will still go into that spot, so you will see it all in there as well. Under the tasks, this is really to help us manage all of the different ideas and things we want to solve in the platform as well, and just to be a repository of all of our insights so that we can look back later and just see everything in one place. So let's go create a task. We're going to put in a question. Maybe we want to increase our landing page conversion rates. From here, maybe we want to put in a bit of detail. I just make sure you put in as much background information so that whoever's jumping into this task or helping you out, we can all kind of band together and we know how we can solve it together. So maybe we've seen a dip on a certain day, and we also want to dive into some specific areas as well, or some specific channels. So maybe we want to, let's look at our paid channels and also our recent marketing campaign. We launched this from the 1st of February and drove a lot of traffic through it. We also want to improve it as much as possible while the campaign is still running. We can give it a due date. So let's say we want to get this reviewed by maybe the end of the week or end of next week. We've got another field in here as well. So this is, once we've found out some opportunity areas, it's really a number for you guys to put in. We don't really care if the number is exact or not, but if you just measure everything the same way and you can put in a number. So let's say you find a $10,000 opportunity. Basically, it's going to rank all of your tasks in here, and then we'll tell you which ones you think or the team thinks is a bigger opportunity or a smaller opportunity. So it's really just to help you prioritize all of these tasks, and it's just an internal thing for you as well. So once our task is created, you can see there's a few extra things in here. You will see all of the changes to the task, but also we can just have a bit of a conversation in here as well. So maybe I want to add in Tammy, and I want to ask her to add some extra information or do some digging on this. Say, hey, Tammy, can you please do some digging into this one? And she might come back and reply and say, we are investigating landing page. I can see that there is a big opportunity to move X content up on the page to increase conversion rates. Awesome. So maybe we've figured out all the content that we want to move. We can put in our findings and our next steps here. So in next sprint, we aim to move up X content and reorganize Y product tiles to improve conversion rates. We might actually find that when we do this analysis, we find out that it's actually 15K opportunity. So we're just going to move it to review. It's just sitting in there, and really this is just to help us manage this flow, and so we can see all the completed tasks, all the open ones. We can even use it to manage bugs as well. There is a share link too, so you can copy and paste this into any other platform that you're using to manage these tasks, and it's just going to open up the task exactly to where we've left off, and we can basically see the whole conversation and everything that we need to action on it. We might come in here, we might say, yep, now this is complete, we're going to put that in there, or maybe there's a bug that we actually need to follow up on as well, so we can flag this one as a bug hypothetically. All of the bugs are going to go into a bug list as well. So I'll just show you very quickly. We'll create a second task. So we've got more of our tasks lining up in here, and if you want to filter for bugs, this is just a really easy way that If you see issues across your website, you might have our error module running. So you might be picking up like 404 errors or API errors, things like that. You can basically flag it in here and put links to the right reports and everything. And it's basically a repository of all the information we need to follow up and close off this task. Once it's closed off, just put it as complete and it moves out of your open list. So we can see that one task is still open and we've completed this one. So yeah, that's basically the Insights Hub. We're super excited about it. Just means that it's going to make it really easy for us to support you and also put in some comments and like support on an async fashion. So we don't always have to jump on a call to support you directly. It also means that you guys will now have a really comprehensive repository of all the insights that have helped us make our decisions. And every time we launch a new campaign or a feature, we can actually come back and see all the things that we've changed. So yeah, super excited about this one.